Hi, I'm Mark Hockman for PC World. We're here at the Surface launch with Microsoft's amazing sheet of glass, Microsoft Surface Studio 2. When the Microsoft Surface Studio first rolled out, everyone gasped. This thing was an incredible content creation device. Unfortunately, it was priced a little bit out of the average price range, about $4,000. Well, this is the Surface Studio 2, which starts at just slightly less, $34.99. Again, that's not going to be a product for the average PC user. But look at what you get. This has the same 4.5K display, but with a few improvements. It's a little bit brighter, over 500 nits. That's because they changed a little bit of something at the transistor level, improving the contrast about a third as well. You can just look at this and you want to go ahead and use it. Now, Microsoft is doing something a little bit different as far as the positioning is concerned too. It is a content creation device. You'll notice the pen is here. It works with the Surface Dial. But also, it was interesting because Microsoft again showed it off as a gaming machine. It has integration with the Microsoft Xbox controller, and Microsoft showed it running Forza Horizon 4. We're not sure exactly what's inside of it necessarily, but we do know that Microsoft's touting it as the fastest Surface ever. I think it's probably the fastest Surface Studio ever. We don't have the specs on it yet, but we do know it has an NVIDIA chip on it like before, and it should have an 8th generation Core chip inside it as well. Again, probably a mobile chip inside it. We're going to get final specs on it in a little bit, but we know that, again, we're talking about additional power under the hood. The one thing that, again, Microsoft Studios are known for is the fact that you can go ahead and slide this down from a monitor into easel mode. Again, you can take the pen. We're not allowed to actually play with it. You can write upon the surface. You can go ahead and use it as a content creationist tool. You can see, just looking at that background, that things are going to look beautiful. Now, we had a chance to test the Microsoft Surface Studio 1. We hope to do so again with the Microsoft Surface Studio 2. It was a product that we did not want to give back. Unfortunately, we had to. So, tune in the future for more Surface previews, and hopefully in the future, again, a review of the Microsoft Surface Studio 2.